we'll run a thermal structural analysis in design simulation. We'll begin by going into the design simulation application and we'll create our simulation files. We'll also select the thermal analysis type and we'll create a thermal solution. Next, we'll create a heat flux load. Here we can select whatever units we'd like, and we'll apply a 1 watt per square centimeter load on the bottom face. Next, we'll give a path for the heat to flow out of the part with a convection boundary condition. Then we'll go ahead and mesh the part. We can specify 2 elements through the thickness, and we've already assigned a material property to the CAD model, so we don't need to assign one here. And we're ready to solve our thermal solution. Alright, that only takes a few seconds to run, and we can view our temperature results. And these temperature results we'd like to apply as a load to a structural analysis. So let's do that next. We'll begin by creating a new structural solution. And here we can select whichever options we'd like. And then we'll apply our temperature load. And here we'll select temperature external time unassigned. And we'll pick up the output file from our previous thermal run. So here we can see we're running Sim2 solution 1. Sim2 solution 1 is our output from our thermal analysis. And here we can see it in the load container in our subcase. Then we'll create a fixed constraint. Because we're running a structural analysis, we need not only a load but a constraint on the model. And then we're ready to solve. This one also only takes a few seconds to run, and we can view our structural results. So that is how to run a thermal structural analysis in design simulation.